If you've got a minor scratch on your wood furniture, you might not need a special product to fix it. You might already have something in your house that will do the trick. Things like eyebrow pencils and shoe polish can do a perfectly good job hiding a small scratch. Simply apply your substitute stain of choice and then wipe away the excess. Just remember to test it in an inconspicuous spot first. When you finish the caulking job and want to save the rest for later, you can seal the tube back up using this tip. Dip the tip of the open caulk in a rubber coating product like Plasti-Dip. This creates an airtight seal that's easy to peel off later. Blades for hacksaws and coping saws are easy to lose, but with this tip, you'll always have one handy when you need it. Just use tape or twist ties to attach the spare blades to the frame. That way, the next time a blade breaks or dulls, you won't have to look around for a new one. You'll know right where it is. Make it easier to find the right wrench by wrapping them in electrical tape and writing the size on it. The numbers that you write are going to be much easier to read than the factory stamped sizes, saving you a ton of time searching for wrenches. You can even color code them for metric and imperial. Carpet scraps are great to have around the shop for protecting projects while sanding. Not only does it protect your project from being scratched, but it cuts down on vibration while holding the piece firmly in place. For even more tips and tricks, visit us at familyhandyman.com.